Hello everyone! Today I will show you how to create predefined templates with variables in Timelines AI and then use them directly from Pipedrive. First, log into your Timelines AI account where your Pipedrive is already connected. On the sidebar, you will see Templates tab. Click on Templates and then New Template button. A pop-up will appear. Select Pipedrive and then click Continue. Now you can create personalized message with variables from Pipedrive. Let's choose first name and paste it here. After clicking continue, you can also add attachment if needed. Press continue. Here we can do the template public so everyone can use it and edit. Read only, everyone can use the template, but you and administrators can edit it, and private, only you can use and edit the templates. Let's choose public and press continue. We can preview the message and give the name to the template. Welcome message. Press save button. Let's head over to Pipedrive. Here we can now use the saved template. Click on the arrow in the button and you will see the option Send WhatsApp template. Here we can see all of our saved templates. Let's choose our welcome message. And now you can see we can preview the message with attachment, and now we can send it. The message is sent and we can preview them in Timelines AI, and also the message will be visible in Pipedrive. Let's refresh the page and we can see the message here.